Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to get the old gallery back on iOS 18. First thing that you can do is go to your photos and go to customize and reorder. And this is the settings that we need to fix. So recently on the last update, iOS add a lot of features on the photos. So what we're going to do right now is to check only the media types, featured photos, the pin collections, and the albums. So all of the things that I didn't mention need to be unchecked so that we can turn to our old format of the gallery. So make sure to do all of those things. And then that's it guys. I hope that this video helps you, and if it ever did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.